How to set up iPhone night shift for eye comfort. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who uses your iPhone a lot at night, you may have noticed how the bright blue light can strain your eyes. But don't worry, Apple has a great feature called Night Shift that adjusts your screen colors to a warmer tone, making it easier on your eyes. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. Now without further ado, let's dive right in. So first thing first, unlock your iPhone and open the settings app. And once you are in the settings, simply scroll down and tap on display and brightness. And this is where you can adjust your screen settings, including brightness, night mode, and much more. Now in this section, you will see the night shift option. Simply tap on it to open the night shift settings. Here is where the magic happens. You can choose to have night shift run automatically by setting a schedule. To do this, simply tap on schedule and you can select from options from sunset to sunrise or set a custom time range. This way, night shift will turn on and off based on your preferences. And if you want to fine tune the warmth of your screen, you can adjust the slider under the color temperature section, move it towards less warm for cooler display or towards more warm to really reduce the blue light for better eye comfort. And if you want to turn night shift on or off right away, you can use the toggle at the middle of the screen. Just flip it on or off whenever you want it to activate instantly. And that's it. You have successfully set up night shift to help protect your eyes and make your late night phone use more comfortable. It's that simple. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.